Hello everyone, my name is Naula Khan. I'm your Mext guide, and today I'm again with a new video which is about Mext University recommended scholarship. And the topic of our video is why is professor not replying to your email? So there are multiple reasons or possibilities which I am going to discuss with you based upon my experience and the applicants which I am dealing. So let's discuss the possibilities. So first possibility is that you are not getting reply is because of availability of a professor. So if you haven't received a reply from your professor for 7 days or might be 1.5 week, it's mean there might be a holidays there, or might be the professor is not available. Second thing, which is most probably the most important thing I think, or most possible thing, that's why you are not getting the replies, is you have done something wrong. Whether your email writing is right, the format, the subject was clear enough to be sent to professor, how you added professor, that's mean a lot. Like you're saying, hi sir, I need scholarship. This is not the way actually to get scholarship and to develop an interest with and connection with your professor. So whether your email writing is right or not, whether you email the professor at the right time or not, so these mean a lot. If your format is not, your subject is not good, applying for master. So what does it mean? Prospective master degree student like this. I have a separate video on email writing, the format of how the format should be while sending an email to professor. You can just see my videos in this YouTube channel. You will find that video. Just watch it so that you will know how to put a format on it. So just wait for the professor. If professor is not replying, so just put a reminder there, like, professor, I'm looking forward to your reply. So he will reply. There are multiple reasons. Like I'm quoting my example, like I started emailing in mid of August, and then I got certain reply after 2 weeks while sending a reminder that my age is 59 and 58, so I'm soon going to be retired. Some said I have full seats, and we have full seats, and we are not going to offer more to Mext students or any applicants. So there are multiple reasons behind it, but you have to send a reminder after 7 working days at least. So, and the timing should be also very right. Like you should schedule your email according to the time of Japan. So in case of Pakistan, we have 4 hours. Japan is 4 hours ahead of us. So if we schedule our email at 4 a.m., it's going to be sent at 8 a.m. in Japan. So it will be at the top while professor was searching it. So these things you have to check. And before sending your email, do check your format, subject is clear enough, and whether you have addressed your professor right. So again, I'm telling you, watch my video, how to write an email to professor, and you will get it all right. I hope you get a reply from the professor soon, and best of luck, buddy. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe the button. If you have any question, you can just put it in a comment box. I will reply to you soon. And we have this now Facebook group for multiple discussion. The name of Facebook group is the Scholarship Guru, and you can just post it anytime. There, I will not say 100 of Mext Scholar. We have 20 to 30 Mext Scholar whom gonna help you. And let's wait for the next video. Thank you so much.